This video is about Windows 10, how we can optimize the Windows 10 for better FPS, better performance in our gaming and better battery life. Without any fuss, let's get started straight in the video. It's my So first of all, you need to get this FPS pack or Windows pack by RTS from the description obviously. So after that you will be getting a RAR file. You just have to extract it with a simple software called as WinRAR. You'll get that in the Google. After extracting, you'll get this folder. Over here you can see these files and folders. You just simply have to do follow the structure, follow the instructions I will give you, and it's simple. You can have better PC in just 15 minutes. Let's get started straight in way. First of all, I'm going to install this software, which is CC Setup. It's Clean Master. Sorry, it's CC Cleaner. Just have to install it. It's okay. You just have to click here on click run cleaner. It will pop up. Just cut it out. Okay, so you got this one. Here you just have to make adjustment into two things, which is the cleaner and the registry files. You have to clean these files. In the cleaner, you just have to go analyze. See, in my system, it's just minimum of the thumbnail cats and all these things, because I run this software in a week or 2 times a week. But you guys, if you're new to this software, it will get the maximum out of the PC. When I used it first time, it was above 15-16 GB junk files was in my PC, which really lowered your PC performance. So I recommend you this software to use to clean out your junk files and all the stuff which is not useful. Just press here, press continue, and it will do the rest of the thing itself. Okay, it's done. Now the second step is go to the registry and scan for issues. You will get all the issues with your registry files over here. This video is in 2 steps. First step is the software steps, which I'm going to show you, and then there are some basic and simple things which you can do to your PC in order to get better FPS, better gaming, and better smoothness in your PC. So it's done. Select here. Do you want backup changes? It's not important. No. And fix all the selected issues. You're done over here. This is a good software. It's free software. You can download it and upgrade it to the newer version. No crack, nothing needed. You can go to the tools and see. You can get many good tools over here. You can uninstall the pre-installed softwares from Windows 10, which you don't really use, these. I'll show you something like this: Paint 3D, Photos, Print 3D. These are the Windows software. These Xbox, you can't install it from the control panel or something like that, but you can uninstall it from over here. So this is it. This is a simple software. No need to get deep into it. Now let's get into the another software, which is CPU Core Parking. You need to install this. It's a simple software. It will take around 15 to 20 seconds to get installed. It's done. Okay, now you just need to click on the launch. Take some time. Okay, we are here. So what does it do? It's it watches out your CPU, your performance of CPU, and the bandwidth of frequency which your PC is using right now. So what you're gonna do is if you find these scaling below 100 like this, obviously you will find this turbo boost in that on 70 or 30% like this between them. Maybe this will be full and this will be half. You just need to do drag these all to 100% and click on apply and get OK, and it's done. Nothing to do over here more than this. That's all you have to do in this software, and you can like uninstall these softwares if you wish that they are going down your RAM. You just have to use them to clear out your RAM, and then you can uninstall them, and if you want to use them again, just use it when you just require it, like after a month. No need to like get them over your PC. So the third software which I'm going to use is Spybot Anti-Beacon. This is good for gaming as it immunizes the PC performance and blocks many things. I'll show you. Just need to install this. Simple installation. No cracks needed. I'm launching it. Yeah. You're watching it like this. It's like green everywhere, okay? When you're going to first launch this software, you're going to see red everywhere, which means you don't have these things blocked, which are not required, which are useless. You just have to click immunize, and this will automatically immunize everything of this. For optional users, you can go here and press apply to all of these. Like I have some missing ones. I'm going to apply it to them, and it's done. Nothing else. You can like press out, click out, and then you are done over here. The next thing you're gonna do is go to your Intel properties. Take some time to open. Over here you go to 3D. Here, application optimal mode, you turn it enable. Multi-SL anti-aliasing, what is it? Turn it off. Anti-aliasing of morphological, it means like your structures and these basic structures, turn it off. Over here, the most important thing is just it's always on the balance mode. Just put it on the performance mode and click apply and click yes. Then go back to the home and go back to the power. And over here, it's always on the battery life or the balance mode again. Just put it on the maximum performance and click apply, click yes. On battery you can do the same. If you wish, you want to like no one plays like games on battery, so you can put it on battery life or performance or balance. It's all up to you. It's just all up to you. So over here it's like done. Now the last thing is over here, the NVIDIA control panel. Okay, so this is the NVIDIA control panel, and I have provided you some screenshots over here on the GPU settings. These things, like you just need to open these files. I mean, open this photo, obviously. Just copy the settings I've given you. It's always to use the physics as GeForce 820M. I am having a low CPU and GPU right now. You just need to copy these settings, okay? So I have provided these settings in that screenshot. In this screenshot, you just need to copy these, okay? There are 3 screenshots. You just need to copy as same as this screenshot for the best performance for your PC. That's it for the software thing. Now let's go into the main thing, which really increases your FPS and performance of the Windows 10. First of all, you need to go into the settings. You need to go into the system and then notification. Turn it off, like everything over here, just turn it off. Go back, get into the gaming, get to the game bar, it will be on always, just turn it off. Game DVR, it will be on, it will be like record in the background, it will be on, just turn it off. Turn everything off over here. Game mode, it's like this. I am having the Windows 809, the latest one. True play, turn it off. It's like a anti-cheat or something. So obviously it will be in your background, so it will decrease your FPS. So just turn it off. Go back, and after this, just go into the privacy, which is the most important over here. So in general, turn it off. Speech inking, just everything over there, just everything turn off. location, camera, microphone is like which you obviously use. I don't use camera well, like no Skyping and all that from the PC. So if you wish to use Skype or something like that, you can turn it on. Notifications off, account info off. These all things I put it off. The most important thing over here is the background apps. See, let apps run in the background. It can seriously fuck your PC, so just turn it off. It's done. Like, you just have to turn off everything over here in the privacy and just move back, and you're like literally done over here. The next thing you might do is go over here and click on the properties on this PC, and after that you just need to go on the advanced system settings. Over here you have this first bar, it's like performance. Go to settings, and for this you just need to go for the adjust for the best performance, or you can do a custom thing. The custom thing is always best. Like, I don't need these things. I literally don't use these things because I just need FPS, I just need gaming, I just need better performance. So for me these things are like shit. So the best things are, like, if you want some things, it's like show thumbnails instead of icons, and smooth scrolling and smooth edges. Click apply, click OK. Your PC might be a little sluttery and choppy and you can't be seeing like those trials on the face, but that's okay. If you want FPS, you have to sacrifice something. So over here you're done. You can do a little more thing. You can make a recovery for your own settings before this whole setup, so that you can go back and revert the changes if you mess up something. Okay, so the next thing we're going to discuss is the hard drive. And for the hard drive you have to go get the battery, power options. See, here it's like balance mode or the ultimate performance. Here you just have to click on change plan and go to the advanced power settings. Over here you can see these things like hard disk. Turn off hard disk after, like, it's always here 0 something like 20, 30 on battery. Just put it 0, 0, so it will be like never. It will never turn it off. You can see, never. And after here just go to the power saving management. Minimum process state 100%, maximum process state 100%. Just change these settings. Intel graphics and like desktop background. Where was it? Wait a sec. There's one more. This CPU cooling policy, system cooling policy. In plugged in, just move it to the active. No need of passive. It's done over here too. The main things are done. It's now like you just need to add some registry files, which is a good thing. But if you don't know about registry, just do make a backup, please. You just have to press Windows plus R here. Windows plus R, I'll see again. Or you can do is like reg edit. This is the one thing. Or the next thing is like Windows plus R, then you can type there reg edit. Run as admin. Press OK. Over here, see carefully. Just go down to local machine, then software, then go down and find Microsoft. In Microsoft, you need to find multimedia. Okay, you found multimedia. Sorry, my bad. It's like Windows NT. You have to find Windows NT current version, and in current version you have to find system profile. You got it. So you can see there are 3 files in system profile. What you want to do is, if you don't find like these 2 of them, like throttling and the responsiveness, you have to change, or you have to make the own file. You can like simply right click over here, press new, and then go for the D word, because it's a reg D word, so you have to go for the D word, like over here 32-bit or 62-bit, 64-bit, sorry. So what you want to do is double click on this. Here the value will be set to different, like it was some different value for me. What you want to do is cut out all of them and press F 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Network throttling index. Put it on a hexadecimal and press OK. On system responsiveness, double click. It might be 1, 6, 8, anything depending upon your CPU. Just put it out to 0, click on hexadecimal, click on OK, and you're simply done in the regedit. The next thing you want to do is go to the search bar and type system configuration, or you can simply type config. So you'll pop up by this system configuration over here, and just click on the run as administrator, and you will see a new small window. Over here you might be like generally with the normal startup, but I like to use the selective startup, which I mean by load system services and startup items. I don't need anything else. Let's get on to the next thing, which is boot. Over here you can see there are many options, so I might start with the timeout settings, which is basically 30 always. But if you have a high-end PC with like a GTX 1060 or above that, you can use the value 3. But if you have a lower PC like I am having right now, it's my PC is a very low PC which is having a GPU of 820M, which is basic GPU, so I'm going to use the value 5. Over here I can choose another thing, which is no GUI boots for better booting option, which is so fast. Over here let's go to the advanced options. In advanced option, number of processors, okay, you have to take it and select the last value. For me, I have a 4-core CPU, which is Intel i3 4th generation, which is very old CPU, and I have 4 cores. Over here you can have less than me if you have an older PC, or more than me if you have a newer PC or an upgraded PC. So just select the last one. Okay, in maximum memory you don't really need that. It's obviously because RAM management is on the PC. Just click OK, click apply, click OK. It will say restart. You can restart at the end of this tutorial. Right now just click exit without restart. Okay, we're basically done. Now I'm going to show you a little more of this pack, which I just didn't show, which is this timer resolution. It's a simple basic software. I am having this over here. What it does, it's like, see, current timer information is 0.99, minimum resolution is 15.625. This is in seconds, which means like your CPU and your refresh rate, they're combining and they're syncing in some seconds, you know. What it does, it's like it clears out all the resistance between them and gives you the best, smoothest information you can ever have. So what it does, it's simple. You just have to click on maximum, minimize, load your game, load your file, load your rendering, anything you like, use it. You will see the frame difference. Just when you're done, click on default, close, and you're done. That's it. Thank you for watching the video. That's it. If you have any problem, you can comment.